Tina Bramson from Gethsemane Gardens. Today's quick tip is about deadheading. So this is a geranium. I'm going to show you how to deadhead a plant. You'll see this stem has the flowers are just beautiful, and this one is dying back, not looking so good. New one coming up over here. So I am going to take this one out. Often what people do is they cut it right at the head. I'm going to do it down here at the leaf axil. So I am going to be cutting it right here. I'm going to leave this stem and clip off just where that plant is coming from. So now that plant looks beautiful. The head is separated and the stem, so I won't have any brown stems coming up as they die back. Often people ask why we do this. And the reason we do it is because we need to deadhead so the plant doesn't set seed. If it sets seed, it stops flowering. It signals to the plant, oh, our purpose is going to be over soon. Let's get all those seeds out and we're done. And the plant eventually dies back. So we want to keep it flowering. That's our purpose in it. With a petunia, same thing. The way to deadhead, here's a plant, one, you see how dried it is. It's gone too far. And again, I'm going to clip it all the way down. Let me get my clipper. And leave everything else intact. And that will send up more shoots, more flowers, and that's how we get an abundance in the summertime. Happy gardening.